Here is how you can add DNS records on Cloudflare. So from the main homepage of Cloudflare, you want to locate the domain that you want to add DNS records for. For example, I will be using this one. You then want to go to the right-hand side, click on the three dots, select Configure DNS. And now what we need to do is we need to go down to DNS management for this specific domain. Now, if I want to add a DNS record, click on Add Record. From here, you can then choose the DNS record type. So usually it will be an A name or a C name, something like this. So for example, an A name, you will then be able to put the @ sign in the name required right here for the root. And then you can then add in the IP address right here. And you can also choose whether you want to enable or disable proxy. Now, once you have added this, all you simply need to do is click on Save in the bottom right-hand corner, and then proceed to add any other DNS records that you require. So it's just that simple. That's how you can add DNS records on Cloudflare. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.